Greetings from paradise, or more specifically Patok Beach on Raya Island in Thailand, in the Phuket area. It is 25th of December 2024. It is almost 4 p.m. and I have almost 1 hour left, to be fair 42 minutes exactly, to enjoy this beautiful beach before with the park, with the boat back to Phuket and reach along pier. I also have my hat on because I noticed that my head, especially the top part of the head and the forehead, is burning. Even though I have applied sunscreen multiple times, I think 5 times today, so it's still burning. So I really don't want to get burnt, as I have another trip planned after Thailand. And I have 2 days left now in Thailand. I'm gonna be chilling close to on the Karon beach where I'm staying, close to my hotel the next 2 days. But enough about that, let's enjoy here and now. And let me show you how beautiful this beach is. We have spent the most of the time of the tour on this island, almost 3 hours, and now it was very close for the waves to catch my backpack with water, so I was so fast to act there. Anyway, so here we have on this nice beach a place to swim, and there is also the pier that is very shaky with the waves. You can also fail when you're getting off the boat. There are also even restaurants, and this here is a resort for only hotel guests. Not the beach though, the beach is for everyone in Thailand, even though there are some private beaches where they require a fee, but I have read that you can tell them that by law in Thailand you are allowed on the beach just without using the facilities that they provide with that payment. I haven't, well actually I've been to a private beach previously, to Siam Bay, where it says hotel guests only, but if someone have told me, I would have referred them to the law that I have read online. Anyway, Siam Bay, check out that episode as well. But this is Patok Bay and Patok Beach, and with the boat actually, before we went here on ground, we were snorkeling there around the reef, coral reef it is, and I have seen many beautiful fish there. They were so colorful and nice. It was super nice. We also snorkeled at Maiton Island earlier today as well, and we were chilling also at Coral Island on the beach. It was amazing. Now it's time to take the swim for, I'm not sure if this is gonna be the last, as we're gonna head to the hotel before sunset, so I may take another swim at Karon Beach. But anyway, the last swim probably here on this island. And now that I have seen that maybe my backpack is in danger still, so I will need to move it even further on the beach just to be safe. Right, let's check out the water and the waves and the hundreds, well 20-ish boats that are waiting for their passengers to come back. So what should I tell you more? Thailand is a nice country to visit in the winter months, and by winter months I mean there are rocks here that are hurting my feet. Okay, we are in for a treat, so let's then dive in. Oh my god, here there are rocks. I thought it is, no, it is sandy, but there are a few rocks here and there, and those smaller ones are quite interesting when they're being pulled by the waves and they hit your feet and then your feet hurt. So Patok Bay, this is paradise, and I'm not sure why there are not so many people swimming, because there are lots of people on the island. I'm not sure what they're doing. I see a lot of boats there, but maybe there are only few groups that are here right now. We had also a nice lunch on New Zealand earlier today, and yeah, it's super nice to enjoy a day out on the open sea. As I mentioned, the beach is super sandy with white sand, but inside here we have few larger rocks here and there. I'm not sure if they were put here to protect from the waves, as there are quite big waves. Cool! That's the last episode from Maya Island for today and the third beach I visited. So check out also the episodes from Temp Bay and from Siam Bay, but also from the snorkeling from here from Patok Bay that I did earlier today as well. So actually 4 episodes from Raya Island. And yeah, that is a wrap as we see once again the beautiful Patok Bay on this 25th of December. Thanks a lot and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!